Now, if you just picked up an iPad mini 7 or been using any iPad for that matter, it's time to talk about something a lot of people overlook: online privacy. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use a VPN on your iPad mini 7 step by step and explain why using a premium one like the one I'm going to be recommending is better than relying on a free one. So whether you're trying to stay safe on public Wi-Fi, access region locked content, or just get, faster servers for gaming, this is what it's all about. So first of all, what is a VPN and why do you need one? First things first, what does a VPN actually do? So a VPN stands for a virtual private network. It basically creates a secure encrypted funnel between your device and the internet. So when you use a VPN, your IP address is hidden, your data is encrypted, your location can appear elsewhere. And it's really perfect, like I said, for just like, when you're using public Wi-Fi, you can't be tracked, streaming content from other countries, stopping websites from profiling you, which is a big thing, and also like if you're gaming, get some faster servers. And here's a reason that you should stay away from like the free VPNs, because there's a lot of them. I've tried most of them, and the problem is slower speeds with those free ones due to overloaded servers, limited locations, logging, or even selling your data on some of those, and just lack of support and the fact that they disconnect all the time. So in other words, the free VPNs are going to be just a lot worse, and they expose your, to a lot of privacy issues and bad performance. Okay, so that kind of like segues into what I would do and what I use as a VPN, which is going to be NordVPN. Now, I've been using this thing for 4 years. 4 freaking years, guys. That's a really long time. And I've been paying the monthly fee for it, whatever it is. It's really not expensive. And I'll actually link a discount link up below in the comments and description if you guys want to check this out. But here's why NordVPN, I love it. It's got 6,000 plus servers across 60 countries. There's no logs ever, so your activity stays private. It works with streaming, gaming, browsing, you name it. And it's built specifically for iPad OS and iOS. So it runs smoothly. It's always getting updates. All right, so really all you got to do to set this up, you just go to the App Store. After you've signed up, download the app, open it. And then when prompted, it's going to have some VPN permission things. You just go in your settings and say, okay. And here's what's really cool about this. There's a quick connect option. So you could actually go like through specific servers on here, or you could just do a quick connect and it'll connect you anywhere. But I mean, personally, I use NordVPN because it's more of a privacy thing for me nowadays, guys. Sometimes I'll be gaming and I'll want like a faster server if there's issues, but it really does comes down to privacy. Also, if I'm, streaming something that I can't get because it's available somewhere else, then I'll use it. But so there you have it, guys. So that's basically how, you can use a VPN on your iPad mini 7 or really any iPad for that matter. NordVPN is my top option. It's the one that just works great for fast speeds, privacy, and it's reliable, which is so huge. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this update. Tap that like. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.